In the category Research, Innovation and Environment, which recognises outstanding efforts to advance ATM modernisation and research programmes, the runner-up award goes to ANSCR in the Czech Republic for the controller fatigue research. So we now come to the Research, Innovation and Environment Award as part of the Air Traffic Management Magazine and Unmanned Airspace series of 2020 ATM Awards. And I'm delighted to introduce the winner, Alex Bristol, CEO of Skyguide, part of the FABEC consortium, who have won this award for the series of environmental improvements that FABEC has worked with on stakeholders during 2020. Alex, welcome, congratulations. Perhaps you could tell us what you've achieved or what the object of the program was to improve environmental performance, not just for the ANSPs, but importantly for the stakeholders too.
Absolutely. Thank you very much indeed, Philip, and thank you to the judging panel for choosing us. For us, this was a very important project. On the one hand, the environment, of course, in itself takes on increasing importance in not just in aviation, but in our societies around us. And as part of the aviation ecosystem, we're very aware of both our duties and responsibilities in this respect. This is also an important project for us because it involved the whole of FABEC. So all of the 7 ANSPs that make up FABEC have been involved here, and right across the sort of the levels, both from the front end, the controllers delivering the instructions to the aircraft, to the pilots in the aircraft, the experts in the back offices who are working on the route documents and so on, and all of the people making sure that the conversations are happening across the board. So it's been a really good collaborative team effort, which has delivered concrete results to our customers and to the environment.
What did you learn as part of the process?
There are inevitably quite a few things that don't necessarily go quite right all the way through, and therefore you can take lessons out of that. Whenever you've got a large number of organizations trying to come together, it's a big challenge to make sure that the right people are talking and saying the right things to each other and definitely exchanging. Doubly so, of course, when you have COVID coming along in the year like 2020, so people suddenly have to learn how to do that remotely as well. And I think that's a particularly proud achievement that that the teams have managed to do that and still deliver the concrete benefits in such a year.
And of course, this is not the end of the matter. The environment continues to be and will continue to be an increasingly important neighbour when we look at air traffic management. It's something that's going to be politically and societally very important. So how do you see this going forward?
I fully agree with you, Philip. This topic makes the project and the program that we've done here not the end of the story. It's the foundation on which we must then base the next steps. We've got to continue to work on other ways to make sure that we can offer the customers more direct routings, reduce the fuel burn, which has, of course, got its good effects on the environment, and that's key importance for us. Also, just to be really clear about this, this is not something that's happened just because there was no traffic in the sky. It's really key when the traffic comes back to make sure that we roll this further and continue to create the benefits for all of the people involved. That is the society, it is our customers, and it is the wider aviation ecosystem.
Alex, thank you very much indeed. You're absolutely right. I think society will have different expectations of transport systems after COVID, and the whole role and responsibility of industry in working with society to improve lives. Thank you very much indeed. Congratulations, and have a great year.
Thank you very much indeed, Philip.